Hi, I'm Catherine.
And I'm Jeff.
And we are excited to have the opportunity to share these amazing GE branded sealants with you and show you how easy it is to use them.
Today our focus will be selecting the right GE branded sealant or caulk for your specific exterior home projects.
And we'll go over what questions you should be asking in order to make the right choice.
Now, just as a heads up, the terms caulk and sealant are often used interchangeably. Products that provide a seal against elements such as air and water are sealants, and caulks are products that are generally used to fill gaps and for decorative projects. As a general rule, we recommend sealants for outdoor projects. In this video, we'll be using the following GE branded products.
GE Silicone 2 Plus Window and Door Sealant, GE Silicone 1 All-Purpose Sealant, GE Silicone 2 Plus Metal Sealant, GE Silicone 2 Plus Gutter Sealant, and GE Silicone 2 Plus Concrete Sealant.
Before you can select the right caulk or sealant for your project, you have to answer a few questions. Will this surface be exposed to water, and are you planning to paint over this sealant? This will help determine if you will need a product that is waterproof and or paintable. GE Silicone 1 All-Purpose Sealant and GE Silicone 2 Plus Window and Door Sealant are two great waterproof options for exterior sealing. However, if painting will be needed, you should consider a paintable silicone, which is both paintable and waterproof. If exposure to water is not a concern, the other paint-friendly alternative is a siliconized acrylic sealant such as GE Supreme Stretch.
With your home containing so many sealable surfaces, you'll also need to consider which type of material you will be working on. Ceramic, metal, laminates, glass, granite, wood, plastic, vinyl siding, concrete, bricks, or mortar. You'll want to select a sealant that is right for your specific surface. Silicone 2 sealant may cost a bit more, but can be exposed to rain after just 30 minutes, so weather shouldn't be an issue. It also adheres to more surfaces than Silicone 1 sealant, and it will not blemish high-end surfaces. There are also a number of GE branded exterior specialty products available for metal, concrete, roof, and gutter.
You should also consider the color of the surface when selecting a sealant for your project. Many of the GE branded sealants come in several common colors, from white, clear, and almond to brown, black, and gray. You'll want to select the sealant color that will provide the most seamless looking bead on your surface.
GE branded sealants offer a wide range of products for use on exterior projects. Whether you need a high quality sealant that is waterproof, paintable, or both, we have you covered.
See you next time, and remember, GE branded sealants are the confident choice for your project needs.